Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Videos. First of all, I want to remind you previous video given earlier on this channel about YouTube adblock. I hope it will work 95 all successfully. If still not working due to any update, then today's video hopefully can solve your problem. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a YouTube thing to block the stupid YouTube. The preview video will be panted in the comment box and given in the video description. You can easily view it if you want. You can't use an ad blocker here thing because it's really annoying. So first thing you're going to need is Tamper Monkey as seen right here from whatever extension store do you use for your browser. I'm on Chrome, so that most browsers are Chrome based, so you'll probably be grabbing it from here. But if you're on Firefox, I think it's on that extension store as well. And once you've got that installed, you're going to want to boot up the dashboard for that, and you're going to want to go here, and you're going to want to just... There we go. And the next thing you're going to do is you are going to go here. I'll link to this in the description, and you're going to want to copy past all of this like so perfect. And then you should just click File Save. There we go. YouTube Popup. Killer. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You will not be seeing that annoying pop-up. Now the web page itself, YouTube may still pause the video whenever you boot it up, and all you have to do is unpause because it pauses the video. Then boots up the annoying thing. But since this blocks the annoying thing from booting up, you can just unpause the video immediately and be ready to go. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you again next video. Peace.